Are you the type of person that wants total control of your life? Does it bug you that your electricity comes from hundreds of miles away, and when you fuel up your tank, it comes from thousands of miles away? Are you ready to retake control of your life? We have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Eric Hansen, owner of True South Solar. I started this business right here in Southern Oregon, and you too can be producing power on your roof. Work with our team at True South Solar so you can power your life with clean, renewable energy. And if you want, let's talk about battery backup so you'll be ready when the next power outage comes. When you work with True South Solar, you get ridiculously great customer service and achieve peace of mind you just can't get anywhere else. We're True South Solar, and since I founded the company in 2010, we've installed solar for thousands of happy customers right here in Southern Oregon. Call us today. We'll help you retake control of your life. You'll be so happy you did.